Money doesn't grow on trees, as they say. But you know what? I found a unique strategy to make an extra $2,420 up to $6,250 from multiple passive income streams, siphoning cash into your account, and on complete autopilot day in and day out. And it's absolutely mind-boggling that it's the closest thing to having a license to printing money. So if I were you, just stay here with me and watch the video to follow my simple instructions and you'll end up earning cash. Most people will close this video, and that's just the worst. If you also skip ahead, you'll obviously miss out on the key important steps that could potentially make you financially free. And I truly don't want that to happen to you. So get ready because this is going to be exciting. What you're about to see in the short video could change everything for you. Trust me on that. But before we start, welcome to Digiconcept, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. This is reddit.com and this is the website that we are going to be using today to make money online. But before that, I'm going to show you the first website right here on Kickbooster.me. Basically, this website is where you can find a lot of different campaigns and different companies that you can join and start earning daily commissions online. Take a look at this. How Kickbooster works for affiliate marketers. Step number 1, as you can see here, you have to sign up. Now click on the Become a Booster button below. It takes less than 2 minutes to sign up and it is completely free. You don't need any money and you don't need any credit card to do this. And of course, I'll show you in just a moment exactly how to sign up. Moving on to the next step, you're going to select a campaign. And don't worry because if you keep watching, I'll show you to select the highest earning campaign that you should focus on. Especially when you combine this website right here with reddit.com and you can make a lot of money. It's actually much easier than what you think. As you can see here, you can browse through this marketplace of hundreds and thousands of different campaigns to select the campaigns that you want to promote. And when you promote them, step number 3 right here is that you can spread the word, meaning you can share this unique booster link and you can start earning commissions. So first I'm going to sign up for a free account. When you come onto the official website, I want you to go ahead and click on this Get Started button on the top right hand corner. Click on this button right here and then you're going to come onto this page where you can see Kickbooster.me and click Get Started, as now there are basically 2 categories that you have to select. You and I, we are the booster and we are the affiliates where we can earn commission. All you are going to do is just go ahead and click on this right here. Moving on, you have to enter your name and this could be your username. I'm going to put in my username and then my email address. After that, choose your referral code, and this is very important because this code right here will be unique to you. For me, I'm going to put Jenny Adams and this is my referral code. So just go ahead and put in the password and just click on this and then click on submit. It's actually a very simple process. It would take you about 1 to 2 minutes to do this. So once you click on the button, you're able to log into your Kickbooster account. As you can see, this is my dashboard to get started. You can see here your account has been confirmed. Right now it is very important to make sure to check your email inbox for the second email. Again, I'll show you everything step by step in this video so that I can save you a lot of time and you don't have to go through the training right anymore. As you can see here, when I log inside my account in Kickbooster.me, you could just go ahead and click on the marketplace, click on marketplace and you're going to see featured campaign where you can find different projects and different campaigns that you can promote and boost. Meaning that you can get your link and then you're going to share them on reddit.com. And then we will start making money and earning commissions. So make sure you keep watching to learn everything. So right over here you can see that there are many different campaigns. For example, design, everyday, carry, fashion, health and food. There are so many things that we can promote and make money on this opportunity. So right over here you can see sort by. When you click on the down arrow right over here you can sort by most funded, ending soon, or commission from high to low. For my personal strategy I will select our latest pick, because when you sort by our latest pick you can see the top recommended program by this website on the marketplace, because this is the hottest offer or this is the most recommended offer, and that's going to help you to save a lot of time without having to do your own research. And you can easily find the best, highest earning campaign to instantly promote and earn a lot of money fast. Right over here, you can literally see that there are hundreds and hundreds of campaigns that you can choose from. So I'm going to give you a real-life example of exactly how to do this. First off, I want you to go down below and click on this Boost This campaign. Click on this link below and then you're going to come over to this page. You can see this campaign right here where you can be earning money, promote this campaign, and then you can earn a good commission. As you can see here, you will be able to receive a commission whenever you promote this campaign, and they will be paying you for what you did directly to your bank. You can see that when you scroll down below, share your campaign URL. This is going to be the link that you have to share on Reddit in just a moment. And then we can make money online, and I'll show you all the steps in this video. Again, you could just go and highlight everything and just copy this link. Or you can click on this little icon here and see copied, copy the link, and then we'll be using it later on, because I'll show you exactly how to use them on reddit.com right now. I'll show you when people click on this link, they are going to go onto the page which you can see here, this campaign right here. You can see that they have over this amount of money already being gathered on this campaign, meaning that this is actually working right now and you're able to make a lot of money by promoting the exact same campaign. So whenever you share this campaign and whenever you share this link and when people click on your referral link, they are going to eventually come over to this website and then they're going to go ahead and watch this video. And eventually, if they're interested, they are going to go and click on the green button right here. Back this project. And then they're going to put in their money inside this project. For example, $25, $163, $600 and more. As you can see here, you will be rewarded with this amount of commission for every dollar that you help them to raise for their campaign. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now, what I want you to do is to go on to reddit.com. And then you're going to click on this blue button which says sign up. And then you'll come out to this page which says by having a Reddit account, you can join, vote, comment on all of your favorite Reddit content. So you just have to put in your email address right here. Just click on the next button right over here. We can start posting on the Reddit website. You can get so many votes, so many clicks and so many views on your posts. When you go on to the search bar, type in a keyword which is mobile phone and you just press on the search button. There are just so many different communities, as you can see here, which is the reason why we're going to focus on the mobile phone category. For example, this one technology community, this one is Android, and this one here is the iPhone community with over millions of members. And right here they also have millions of members. You're going to get so many views and so many clicks on your campaign and on your unique referral link. And when people click on your link, they are going to go over here and they're going to look through the pages, watch the video, and if they eventually put in their money into the fund to support the campaign, then you're earning a good amount of commissions by doing that. So right now I'll give you my personal supercharged Reddit post that you could just put in Reddit, just copy and paste. So as you can see here, this is the Reddit post number 1. You can just read everything right here and you can just literally copy everything in this campaign and just put in the last link right here. Feel free to learn more, and this is where you're going to put in your link. So remember, this is your unique campaign link. You just have to copy this link or just click on the copy button and you can just go back to the Reddit post, paste this template right here. And when you scroll down below, you just have to put in your link and just delete this one and put in your link right here. As simple as that. This is your referral code. As you can see here, when people click on this link, they are going to come onto this page. And when people buy something on this campaign, you can earn a good percentage of the commission. You can see here that for absolutely free, There are so many campaigns that you can join on the Kick Booster website, and you can earn so much commission over and over again, especially when you combine this with a Reddit strategy to get free targeted traffic to click on your link. This is a very powerful community where you can use my script. Just remember to change it to your unique URL link. This way you're going to earn a lot of commissions by getting so many clicks and so many views, and that's it. This is Digiconcept. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.